Today we're going to talk about verbs. Verbs are words in a sentence that show action. So, like the word walk. If someone is walking, they are doing something. They're walking. Or jump or kick. It's something you can see someone else doing. So there are two kinds of verbs that we have. We have regular verbs. Those are words that you can add an ed at the end when you're talking about them in the past. So instead of saying, I walked down the street, you can say, I walked down the street yesterday. You add an ed at the end to show that it already happened. I want to talk about this word, talk. Instead of saying, I talk on the phone with my mom, if it happened yesterday, you can say, I talked on the phone with my mom. Adding an ed shows that it happened already. Now, those are all regular verbs where you're allowed to just add an ed to show that it already happened. Now I want to focus on irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are where the verb will change almost completely so that you can talk about it in the past tense to show that it already happened. So speak means it's happening right now. Spoke means that it already happened. They change the entire word. A lot of times it will be just one letter that changes. Instead of I hang my wash to dry outside, yesterday I hung my wash to dry outside. The A changes to U to show that it already happened. So basically, when you have a word that is going to change present tense to past tense, you have to memorize what they are going to be. Say becomes said. Sleep becomes slept. Teach becomes taught. I taught math this morning. Over here I have some more. Go becomes went. Instead of I will go to the grocery store, I went to the grocery store yesterday. Run becomes ran. Give, just changing one letter again, becomes gave. We did speak and spoke already. Write, change one letter, becomes wrote. When you're talking about it in the past tense, something that already happened. Now I'm going to do some examples for you. The word that we're changing is the word come. This is from our reading series, An Author Come to Our School Yesterday. Well, we're going to have to change that because it has the word yesterday. That means it already happened. Come is going to change to the word came. Oops, I guess I better change that color so you guys can see it a little better. So instead of saying an author come, now we have the words an author came to our school yesterday. Remember a couple months ago, we did have an author come to our school. They came to our school to teach us during a merit show. It was a lot of fun. The next one we have, Miss Metz can teach you about this word, sing. In the present tense, we say the word sing, but if it already happened, we change it. I blank a song for our talent show. So if the talent show already happened, you would change sing to the word sang. Just change that one word. And now one more I'm going to do for you, and then you're going to do the last one. Do. Cam blank the same juggling act as last year. Do becomes did if you already did something. It happened in the past. Now I want you to write, sorry, you have two of them, not one. Now I want you guys to write down these sentences. I'll leave this on here for a little bit so you can copy them, and they'll also be in the flip grid. You are going to change these words. Eat needs to be changed to a word, and go needs to be changed into a past tense word. And you're going to put them in the sentences. And then I want you to record a video with you reading the sentence with the new word in it. So we blank our lunch outside yesterday. What will you change eat to? And the next one, you're going to change go.